bro. When do parts come in? It's like Christmas around here. Alright boys, so as you can see, we had some parts come in, and also we had a whole bunch of other parts come in, but we ran into an issue. I kind of lost all the footage. This is literally the first time in my entire life of YouTubing that I lost the footage, and of course, it's on the biggest project I've ever done. So to catch back up with you guys and let you guys know what's going on, I'm just gonna have to explain it and clip in the footage that I already have. So about a week back, our new subframe came in, and this is not the new subframe, that is the new subframe, because we actually just installed it, and I got a little bit of footage of installing it, so I guess I'll have to show you that here. Literally, I'm opening up these boxes, and inside this big box is this. Look at it. This is what's inside this big box. Literally, I don't even know. I think this is to the radiator, but literally this huge box, and this is all that's in it. But we're trying to find this new part because this one's broken off right here. I have a good feeling about this box right here. Oh! There she is. Now we can put it on. Dude, this is the realest verse right here. What is it? They want me to rap about some shit that I don't feel. Life's too fucking real. Yo, out with the old, in with the new. Now we're gonna go return this and tell them it was damaged in shipping. Hey,
finesse game.
Yeah, this thing was a little messed up, man. You gonna get my money back? You put it on it. This thing honestly could have been repaired, but like, it's not worth it. What the f? Dude, that is oh my god, stop, put it down. Oh my god, bro. We just went to go put this subframe in, and look at this. The car is like...
The car is balanced.
Like, obviously the motor's in the back, but I put the quick jacks pretty far back, and it's still like, jeez. Can you tell I'm tired? We got the subframe in. It's 11 o'clock. It's been a long night, and that's a wrap for tonight. Last night we got a little bit tired, and it's time to get this suspension on. So the goal tonight, it's like 7 o'clock right now. Probably working for a couple hours. And the goal is to get the suspension on this side. We already got the control arms on, but get the knuckle, get the rotor, get the caliper all mounted up. And also we gotta replace this coil bucket. Check this out. It got hit so hard, where I think when he hit the curb and it pushed this up, it cracked this bucket right here. But literally, I was kind of like stressing it a little bit, but this is literally only 50 bucks, so it really wasn't that bad. Throwing this in, then we're gonna throw the knuckle on, throw the caliper on, like all this is gonna go on. So pretty much after tonight, hopefully we can literally mount the wheels on and put this on all fours. And then the only thing we have to worry about is the frame rails and then the radiators, and then we can actually drive it.
Bro, can you get it out?
These fucking wrenches are the worst because the clicker is on the back.
Oh.
Get that. Boom. Out with the old, in with the new. I was stressing when this was broke. I was like, damn, bro. What the hell? It was literally $50.
That was a good one.
Easy on that, bro.
What if?
I ain't paying for this. We're at a standstill. Let me see that. I'm like trying to put it in. I'm like, bro, why is it not going in? Why is it not going in? And then I realized they sent me the wrong side. Literally.
I really think it should be the same.
Bro, no, look, the only difference is...
Dude, they look similar, but look at the divots. You can tell. You know, just when you're getting ahead, you get set back. So now, I guess we're just gonna focus on this side because we can't really do anything with this side. I'm gonna tell them, I don't know, I'm gonna go to the dealership tomorrow to swap me out a new one. They're gonna have to order it. But, I don't know. I guess now we're just gonna do this side, get this suspension all together, and then we'll worry about this when the time comes, when that comes in, so.
Perfect.
Oh
yeah.
This is the bolt, and it's been, I'm gonna have to order one.
Loctite on that thing, that's why.
Damn, son. The torque specs on that, you look at it in the book, it just says a lot. Tight as F. Now to find the new one, I don't even know where to start.
Oh my.
All that gym effort and still can't open a cardboard box.
Dude, that glue's tight. You're talking crap? Alright, come here then.
I got a broken hand, bro. That's not gonna
Come on, pull that open. Let's see it.
Ready?
Big guns. I'm telling you, it's no joke.
Let me get a grip. Let me get a grip. Look, guys, Judah goes to the gym for no reason. Because
Don't act like it's easy. Look.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, see?
Rip the box in half. Well, I'm not done. I'm not done.
Bro, I needed that box. Hey, what's the chances this is it? Oh, no.
Not it.
Wheel speed sensor. We do need that though. We got Mick. Damn, look at this wheel. You can really see it now. That's like a good wall piece right there. So we literally are trying to figure out everything we can do to work on this car, and there's nothing we can do. So we've been opening up the boxes. What do you think's in this, Matthews? This is a big box.
RODWAVE. Unboxing RODWAVE.
Damn, son, we got the new tub. Yo, try to see if you can fit in that bitch. Subscribe and we'll ship you Matthews. Oh. When I drop the merch, Matthews might come with it. As you can see, we got the new one in, and here's the old one. Let me show you what was going on with this one. So look, it was messed up here, and you know, there wasn't really much fixing this. This is kind of mangled, to say the least. And then also, so look at, so these mounts where the control arms go in were all messed up. It was bent here and it was bent here, and look at, this is all just mangled. There was no fixing this. So we got the new one in, and we're honestly kind of at a standstill right now. We're still waiting on the coil bucket to come in. I showed you guys this last time. This coil bucket right here was messed up, and literally they sent me a new one. The new one came in and it was the wrong one, and then they sent me another one and then it was the wrong one. It's been rough out here, to say the least. We got nothing we can do because we're still waiting on a couple little parts. So we got like radiator cages, front crash bars, all types of stuff. We got the airbag. Another thing that happened is I sent this module out to get rebuilt, and it can't be rebuilt. So I had to buy a new one from Chevy. Apparently these aren't rebuildable is what Safety Gear Store told me. So we gotta wait for that to come in, and if that came in, I would already have the interior all back together, but once again, waiting on parts. And the annoying thing is like, I have the new airbag here, I have the new wiring harness for this, I can put it all together, I can put the whole interior together, but we're waiting on that little sensor. And literally it's just so annoying because we literally could have this whole car driving with no fenders and no hood or anything if we had these parts that I ordered and they're just not in yet. But I don't know if you noticed, we are missing some stuff. So if you can tell, what these are is these are the frame rails, and me and Matthews actually pulled these out the other day, and I actually did get that on film. Let me show you how we got those out. What do you think, Matthew? You think we can do this?
Yeah.
You got faith in me?
Positive thinking.
Positive.
This shit's about to crank out in 30 minutes.
Check out this, what I picked up. This thing's a freaking unit right here. We got some serious stroke to it. Playing with this, I rented this from Opposite. Is once we get these screws out, which they're already out, once I got this cut off, because we got to put a new one of these in, I'm gonna put that up in here and then freaking slide hammer it out, and the frame rail's just gonna slide out, right?
Just like that.
Just easy.
Unbolt, slide hammer, and delete.
Things get intense, we got the torch. If thing, you know, we gotta crank
Heating up.
We gotta heat it up in here, you know. But first things first, I'm gonna pull the bolts out of this side, and then I don't really need to, but I'm going to while we're at it. Then I'm gonna cut this off because this is junk. So this is loose, and then I'm just gonna freaking slide hammer this and try to get it out. So wish us luck.
I got no socks on the sandals. Ladies, DM for the feet pics. Stop playing.
Hey, you can get
Fans only and only fans or whatever.
Hey, it's not only ladies nowadays. You never know. Matthews, you know.
Hey, we get enough followers. I post the toes.
Drop a comment if you think this is gonna come out real easy. We're gonna put this in there. Put that slide hammer on. Pull this bitch out.
Everything's unbolted already?
I gotta do this AC line, but other than that, yeah.
Will Chevy fuck us once again?
Find out now.
Always make sure you have closed-toe shoes in the workforce and the office. A whole lot of nothing.
All right.
Torch? Looks like a pretty weak fucking torch.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Chill. Yo, you're gonna singe my fucking... Dude, stop.
Can you feel it from here?
No. This shit's whack.
Oh yeah? Whack?
Just say, I'll tell you how far I can fit. Looks like a good idea.
Just so it wiggles it. Up, down, sideways, right?
Come on now, stop playing. What's about to happen? Come on now.
Oh, shit, son.
Uh-oh. 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 Ready? Yeah, last one.
This is like the money shot. You ready? Ready, you ready?
Oh! Some TikTok mechanics. Toss that.
Go! We need to go to the hospital.
Tetanus shot.
Suck on it. Dude, we're some freaking bosses, bro.
Dude, stop playing.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have much confidence in myself.
We got AutoZone special.
That's why you gotta believe in yourself, you know? When the going gets rough.
Just a major accomplishment was just
Bro, that's so lit.
attained.
Oh my god, nothing's messed up. Literally, dude, look at it. The new frame rail slides in. I put these little rivets in. Oh my god. We're gonna be on the road like tomorrow, tonight.
Rented out this fucking thing from AutoZone. We got a shitty propane tank. And now,
The frame rail's out.
Judah's Garage 1, C8, 0.
They need to employ your boy, bro.
You need a job, Judah? You're trying to get hired?
If the going gets rough, I can send in a resume. Hey.
Check out the videos. I can do this shit.
You're like, holy shit. Yo, hire this guy. I've got no certifications except my 100,000 subscriber plaque. Oh, disaster. We lose. Now, we can pull this frame rail out. I don't want to jinx it, but I'm just not going to say nothing. Remember I said last time, I was like, once you do one, the next one's way easier. But I'm not saying that. I'm saying hypothetically. Son, think we could fix these? A little bit of Bondo, hammer them out. Feel how light it is though. Well, boys, I'd say it's been a successful day. We got the frame rails out. How much confidence did you have in that, Matthews?
I mean, you can hear it in the video. I didn't really know, but that shit was honestly simple as. And Chevy, you could hire us, but
You didn't.
want a job. So fuck y'all.
So as you saw, we got them out literally pretty freaking easy. I thought it was gonna be pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie. I had no confidence in myself, but of course it just can't be that easy. So we got them out, and Chevy actually put a hold on these. They would not sell me these. So all the other parts are on their way, coming in like one part at a time. But the frame rails, Chevy said they would not sell me. So what did I do? Did I give up? Nah, I didn't give up. What I did was I drove around to multiple body shops because the only people that can buy these frame rails are a certified GM body shop. They have to be legit, like a legit shop to order these, because Chevy doesn't send this out to everyone because they don't want a kid in their garage to be rebuilding their C8. They want a certified shop to do it. But you know, why is that? I'm certified, YouTube certified. But it actually honestly was a big deal, and I was kind of panicking, like what am I gonna do? I need to get these frame rails. But your boy pulled through and we got them ordered. I can't really show you what's on this paper, but just know the frame rails are ordered and they are on the way in about a week. So we are working as fast as we can out here. Even though it seems like I'm not working, I'm doing my best with what I have, because these parts, you know, they're just being kind of being a pain in the ass, to be honest. And we need so many of them. It's like if we're missing one little part, I can't do a whole bunch of stuff because I'm missing one little thing. Also in the last video, you saw that they sent me a wheel for the C8 that's damaged. So I got the new one in here, and this was a task on its own. This wheel is the 4th one they sent me. They sent me another one that was damaged, and then they sent me another one that was damaged, and both times I went to the tire shop to mount it up, I was like, oh my god, it's damaged, just like in the last video. And then, you won't believe this, they sent me another one that was scratched. So this is like the 5th wheel right here, and finally we got a good one. So I got to drop that off at the tire shop and get that mounted up. So as you can tell, I've been having a lot of issues. I lost footage, they sent me the wrong parts, they sent me messed up parts. It's been like stressful, to say the least. Like very stressful getting this thing where I want it. Oh, and get this, the seatbelt that I sent out to the safety gear store, they sent them to the wrong address. So now today I got to go pick up the seatbelt. They're all the way an hour away. They sent them to the wrong address. So just know I've been stressed out.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
To say the least. You know, I'm doing the best I can with what I got, and we did get a lot of work done. Getting these frame rails out alone was a big deal. But once the parts come in, literally I'm gonna have this car like all together once the parts come in like a day. Like all this stuff is really easy. It does not take a lot of time to do, but these parts are shafting me. So, you know, we do have a lot of stuff that came in, but you know, it's not everything we need. So, you know, one battle at a time. I will get it done, but you know, some things are out of my hands. But I figure I'd give you guys an update. That's what I'm dealing with. That's why I haven't been posting a whole lot. We lost footage, all types of other stuff. It's been, I keep saying this, but it has been stressful. But that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, like always, and I'll catch you guys next time. Hopefully, we'll have some more freaking parts. Peace. Matthews, you good? He is out, like a light. Takes a nap anywhere he can. He's got the hat on too. Ready? Hey, get this. Wake up, buddy!
Shut the fuck up. Yo, look what I found.
Look at the Cheerio? What is it?
A Cheerio.
Oh shit, eat that.